Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender it. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Future Orbits, and welcome to an extraordinary trading session here. We had a session Tuesday, and we had a session Thursday, but we did not have a session Wednesday, so that's why you see me live here Friday. First of all, not financial advice. All content is provided for opinion purposes only. Trading involves risk, only risk what you can afford to lose. All right, with that out of the way, listen up. We talked about this. If we would break through 5,100, we were going down. If we would break through 5,200, we will go up. And we just did so. We had a triangle formation here that just looks like it got broken here. So this is your daily triangle formation. And I told you about this Thursday. Were some of you live here with me when I said to you we should buy for all-time highs? Anybody was live here with me? Tell me in the chat. We had this massive consolidation for 3 days in a row where we had the high, the low, the high, the low, but we didn't create any higher highs, we didn't create any lower lows. We created lower highs and higher lows. And I said to you, what that means is that usually that is a liquidity formation being formed. So they are just getting liquidity, wrapping orders, making people hit stop losses left and right until they eventually break out to one of the sides. And in a upward bullish pattern here, when you have like a bull flag here and then you come into this flag here, like it's usually to the upside, and that's what happened. We broke out and now we're above 5,200. So if this 4 hour closes here in 20 minutes above here, that means we broke out. We officially broken out on the 4 hour. On the hourly, we're seeing a little bit of resistance here. from this order block here on the top, and if you draw a line here, you can see here that line is exactly where we had the previous top. So as long as we stay above 5,217, we should actually still be going up. Of course, we could come down and retest 5,200 to grab some more liquidity, because that's where you broke out, right? Right here, that's where you broke out. So if you can come back here and retest here, then what I would do is I would take a trade from the 0.618 level, right? Which would be around, I think 5,202. Let me just see here. Yeah, so the 50% is 5,204, and then the 0.618 level is 5,196. And then the extension is 5,184. But regardless, if you were trading with me at 60, at 70, at 80, you would be in high profit now, and you would not even be able to hit your BE, because we didn't come back. After this consolidation, we broke out and we haven't come back yet. So you should still be good with this. So I'm looking for a buy here at 5,196 or 5,200 if we come down there. If we don't come down there, then I'm looking for this 4 hours to close bullish above here, and then a bottom wick, and then we can buy on the 15-minute top wick. You called it. That's how I caught that pump. $600. Thanks, Opus. You're welcome, Afghan. Still in from 5,222. Baldo with Galbo. Hello, Abo. Was here. Nice. Hello. Hello, Maxi. Hello, Haku. Hello, Mr. Conversation. Hello, Letter. Hope you're doing well, guys. So yeah, we simply just need this 4 hours to close bullish, and that will close bullish in less than 20 minutes here. So that's going to be exciting. Until then, guys, I'm not really taking any trades, because I need to see this hourly close bullish above here, and I need to see that we are holding the 17 level. Do keep in mind, if we break the 17 level and we start coming down, hit 10 and everything, we're probably going to come down to where we broke out and retest that level. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm seeing if we can break out from here. Is it reversal? No, it's not a reversal. We are simply looking for a retest. But actually bad news for gold. Yeah, but I don't really care about that. We also had bad news for gold the other day, and price didn't do shit. You see here, unemployment claims were bad for gold. What did gold do? Not anything. Didn't do shit. We had bad news for USD. What did gold do? It broke out. So, I don't care about news. To be honest, I don't freaking care about news, guys. I only care about if we are having more CME data coming out, or if we are, you know, getting into a war with Iran. They should have told us or given us information about it yesterday, but the CME was like they had like a technical, they call it technical issue for 1.5 hours. So the breakout didn't happen yesterday. Instead, it happened today. And now we have to see, because we are only 1 hour and we're only 42 minutes into the New York session, and we are only 12 minutes into the stock market open. So this could still be a liquidity sweep. That's why I'm waiting for this 4 hours to close bullish. If this closes bullish above here, then that's where I will take my buys. But if it starts coming down below here at 5,200 or 5,206, then I'm not really interested, because it could be a liquidity sweep, right? So let's see what happens. What's up, Obits? Still holding from 5,132. Let's go, Tabo. We came down and we tapped 14 this time, and now we're flipping here. So let's see here. So you are again, like you did before on the daily, you had a triangle formation. Well, you have sort of the same thing here now again. So let's see what happens. But it looks like another bull flag, and then you're consolidating and you're going to break out again. Came in late. Where you think Goldie will retrace? Hello, Friday stream, Ekova. I was not live the Wednesday. That's why I went live today. So I'm just waiting here to see here. We can break out again. But Tabu, you said 5,132, right? Look at this on copy trading, bro. Look at this. I'm gonna show you this one. I bought every dip, bro. I bought every dip. Look at this. Wait, look at this. Fuck. Focus. It focuses on my finger. I want to scroll. Ah. It's difficult. Anyway, you can see here. All these are buys from the dip. Damn it. I wanted to show you, but it's focusing on my finger instead of when I try to scroll. You can see the numbers, but I'm trying to scroll. Oh yeah. Okay guys, so what I'm looking for here is... Okay, so 15 managers closed also inside the triangle formation here. Closed barriers, but still inside the triangle formation. What I'm looking for here is a closure above the 30 for a buy for the breakout, okay? So it looks something like this. Something like this. But we'll see, we'll see. We're not in yet. Alright. So, we're waiting, we're waiting. I got mine at 32, 51, 52, 63. Nice. Just keep holding, bro. Just keep holding, man. Probably going to 5,300, 5,400 before you see anything. I think 5,350 would be a good number before you see any kind of reaction. But we have to break out from this tiny triangle formation. This is basically trying to lure more sellers in, be like, oh, okay, now we hit the top, and then people will, you know, start selling, right? But it's too early because we haven't hit my level at we haven't hit 5,310 or 5,350 on the futures. So for me, I haven't hit any levels yet. Hey, it's Hello. Hey, I just joined the stream. Hello, Darren. Nice to live stream. Hope you're doing well. We're waiting for this breakout, my friend. I got in so late, 5,232. You think that's late, Imran? Oh, you mean okay. I thought you meant 5,132, but 5,232. Yeah, I see. Okay, guys, let's see. Here we go. Are we gonna bounce from the triangle formation, or are we gonna break it? We still have 13 minutes, guys. People trying to FOMO now instead of being patient. Yep. Yep, Kova. Definitely. I like your strategy mode. For real, I ignored the Fibo all the time, but yesterday see the magic with you. Let's go, Italo. Let's go. Are you ready for another trade today, Italo? I'm looking for 5,312 once we break again. What do you think, Obits? I'm looking for 5,360, my friend. 5,350, 5,360. But yeah, 5,300 could also be a number with liquidity sweep above 5,312, yeah. Richard, thank you for the like. Thank you for the... Obits currently working. You're in podcast mode. Let's mix this money. Hello everyone and welcome to this Future Obits live stream podcast. Today we are joined by these lovely people, Sora, Tapu, Italo, Kova, Imran. Welcome to the show where we today are looking at gold. Gold is about to break out. It's currently sitting in this triangle formation. About to break out, waiting for confirmation to take this long trade inside this Beverly Gap Fibonacci retracement, so we can take it up to 5,300. 5,300, 5,400 would be our destination. Once we receive 5,400, the market can decide to take a direction to either one of the sides. We can either go to 6,000 or we can go back down to 5,000 or even 4,500. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining today's traveling agency here with me here on this Future Orbits Gold retracement live stream push out here from this Fibonacci level. I hope your destination will be a lovely traveling, and I hope you're sitting tight and you're ready for this roller coaster. Better? Yeah. Sounds like a flight attendant play this shit. I like to book ticket at 5,300, please. People who work on forecast talks like this. Hello, Uncle Obits. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm excited now. Can you stop? Teacher, let's go. Perfect. Let's see, guys. We got a tap here. We got a tap here. We got 10 more minutes, guys. 10 more minutes. For time high maybe next week? Yeah, if the war breaks out, probably, yeah. Sum it up with your golden music. This one. Let's go! Alright, alright, alright. Let's see, let's see, let's see. We're almost there, guys. Obits, which country are you from? I am from Scandinavia, my friend. I'm not gonna go any more near that. I am not gonna go any more near. Hey, Kaika. Yo, Sav. I love you, Obits. Oh, thank you so much. I also love you, Tony Stark. Iron Man is a nice name for you. I love it. Hello from Luxembourg. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. We're currently waiting for this breakout, guys. We are waiting for this breakout. We're in this triangle formation. Nothing is happening. We're just chilling. A question outside gold the other day. We were talking about monthly and weekly Fibonacci gap being almost always respected. If you see Euro USD charts, wouldn't we see a potential downside? Euro USD. Potential downside, you say? I mean, we are still above the entire support. We are actually right now we are bouncing off the monthly support. So unless this is your top wick, this is a wick fill, and now you're coming down into this monthly Fibonacci gap, then you are like, you're looking at this where you have like support here, right? You have monthly support here. And now you're creating more stability here. You're creating up to this resistance here. Actually, you look kind of bullish, to be honest. On the monthly. You're talking about the monthly, right? Or you're talking about the weekly? On the weekly, it looks like we snapped up here and we grabbed some liquidity, and now we're just kind of stuck here. Right? But then again, you're still respecting the triangle formation here, and also the weekly fair value gap already been tested more than 2 times. So I have to look at the daily, I guess. I mean, you are sort of declining from here. But you're still holding the upper structure. You see here, this is where you hit the top. 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 So you're just bouncing from this. If this is your low, then you can start to break out here now, and then you can start to go up. And you know, if euro goes up, that also means that USD is weak, which would align with gold going up and USD being weak, right? I don't think it's going to be the opposite direction. But I mean, of course, euro and USD don't always follow gold. I'm just saying that it would be weird that euro is going to be weaker than USD now, because gold is about to break out, right? Scandinavia, cold. Do you go on vacation to Spain? Hola, estuve en Málaga por 3 semanas. Español es un lengua muy difícil. Sí. Yeah, thanks for checking. I was wondering because of the USD and gold actual situation. Love ya. W Spanish, so sexy. Hey, it's the end of the month, send gold to hell. No thank you. No thank you, mommy. No thank you, mommy. I want to break out. I'm looking so good in all my buys, bro. If we go down now, I have to close my buys and I have to get in for sells. It's too much work. I don't like it. But on the other hand, Artily. Give me a second, guys. Okay, 30. Okay. Reading probably here. Okay. Got him. There we go. All right. Which platform are you using to trade? I mean the broker. I'm using this platform, my friend. Right here. How's GXY? GXY is going down and then now it's going up. Big fish might take profit after the pump. Though, just saying. Which pump? I haven't seen a pump yet. I've seen 3 days of consolidation, my friend. Mommy, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 days of consolidation. I haven't seen a single pump yet. I've seen that price have gone up here to where we were 4 days ago. That's what I have seen. So, yeah, they would take profit for sure if we hit 5,300, 5,400. But currently you are at 5,225. You haven't really had any pump yet. Kind of the opposite. You have been standing still for 3 days, so in my opinion, a pump is needed because liquidity has been taken. From Chile, watching, so yeah. Oh, Lingua, not Lingua. Okay. Oh wait, the link doesn't go through, does it, Gilbert? Or what do you think? Let's see. I think what you have here, Mommy, is a triangle formation. If you break here, you're gonna come down to 5,196 or 5,187. And then from there you could pump. Or if you break out, you could go up to 5,300. Listen to the pronunciation on Goldie. Okay, let's see here. Gonna have a third wick here, or are we gonna move? Okay. I have now moved all my stop losses and taken some profit. So in case we break out of this triangle formation, I am risk-free from everything. So let's see here what happens. Took some time. I think we touched 5,300 today. Hopefully. I hope so. I hope so, Italo. Vina, what's a buy or sell? I am buying, my friend. Let's go. I'm in Altia, Alicante. Oh, Alicante. Alicante. Is there many people from Spain in the chat? Actually, that's interesting. I've seen a few people. let's make some money. Yeah, it will be great. I hope we can break out, my friend. I'm telling you, if we're still in this triangle formation at 5 p.m., I will leave. I will leave. 4 hour closed above 5,220. It sure did. It sure did. It actually closed at 24. It sure did. Now we're just waiting for the bottom wick.
Get shit on, brother.
Just waiting for the bottom wick. Hey Edward, nice in live stream. Hope you're doing well. I'm waiting for a sweep, either below here or below these lows here, and then a flip. Once we get a flip and we close bullish, I'm gonna buy. But we haven't gotten a sweep yet. We haven't gotten a sweep yet. Yes, guys, this happened, right? This happened before New York opened. This happened before New York opened. It happened pre-New York session. It happened actually before PPI. So I would like to see a sweep below here. Here. Or here. $4,250 sweep and then dump down. What do you think? No way. No. If we go up, we're gonna go to 4,300. 5,300. I think, mommy. I think he means 5,250. I think it was he made a mistake when he typed. I don't think he means 4,250. Don't worry. Don't worry. So I'll give it, guys, I'll give it 54 minutes now to break out. Okay? Give it 54 minutes. If it doesn't happen, it won't happen on stream. And I'm so sorry, but you heard it from me, okay? Yeah, see? 5,250. I knew it. So, I'm either waiting for this, or I'm waiting for this. Okay? That's what I'm waiting for. I'm not expecting us to go down. I'm really not expecting us to go down. I'm just waiting for a sweep below 5,180 or a sweep above 5,240 and then come back into the range, or just a breakout. That's what I'm waiting for. What if it breaks out in 56 minutes? Imran. You think you're clever, huh? Think you're clever? Well, if it breaks out in 53 minutes, then you guys will enjoy the ride. And I will enjoy it looking at my phone while having a good time with my wife. I know I'm not bro. You know this. Let's see. Okay, guys. Let's see here what happens. We are at 32 now. We tap 32.6. Remember, I need a 15-minute bullish closure above. I cannot buy just from a breakout here. What is the entry, please? We have no entry before we get a 15-minute bullish closure. No entry, my friend. No entry. You need a 15-minute bullish closure first. Guys, we are not in any trades. We are not in any trades right now. Or, I mean, the VIP is in a trade, but we here on the Twitch stream are not in a trade at the moment. Okay? Gotta wait for a 15-minute bullish closure. Holded the trade from yesterday. After a little drawdown, smashed my TPs after that today. Nice, bird. I don't have a TP, bro. I don't have a TP. I just trail my stop loss and take partial. If you go to 6,000, we go to 6,000. If we go to 5,300, we go to 5,300. If we go to 5,950, we go to 5,950. I don't care. I do not have a TP. You guys can sit every single day and take trades and try to catch the dip, and sometimes you'll win, sometimes you'll lose. I'm in from 4,000, in from 4,500, in from 5,000, in from 5,100. I'm just keeping adding on and just trailing my stop loss and just taking partial. I don't close trades. I never have, I never will. I only get out of a trade if I hit my BE or if my partial is too big to have anything left in the trade, right? So at some point I will be down to 0.01 lot size because I have taken partial so many times, right? That's how partial works. That's why I can make $1 million on a 0.1 lot size from an entry where you guys have to do one lot on a scalp to make decent amount of money. And that's what many traders doesn't understand. They're like, oh, I want to scalp. I want to take a trade every single day, every single day. I just add on to my layers. That's it. Like, I don't need to trade every single day. I trade with you guys here on Twitch. But for my own trading, I just add layers. I just add layers. If I come down, if you take a trade here and comes down and hit stop loss, I'm not even gonna lose 1% for today because I probably made 5% yesterday on, you know, the pump from here to here, you know, like, because I'm in down here, 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 and I just trail my stop loss and I just take partial on the way. And I've been doing that since 2000. And I'm gonna keep doing that until 10,000 and 20,000 and 30,000. And one day gold is gonna be at 100,000 and people are gonna say like, oh, you should have bought gold at 15,000 like they did with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin hit 100,000 and I said to people, I bought Bitcoin at 15,000. They'd be like, no, you didn't. I don't trust you, blah, blah, blah. It's very simple. Just buy the dip, hold it, trail your stop loss, take partial. That's simple. You don't have to scalp every single day. You don't have to put stress on yourself every single day. You don't have to force yourself into the market every single day. Just buy a little bit over time. Gold will always go up. There'll be massive dips, of course. At some point you have a dip. Just buy a dip. Simple as that. Here. Give a funded account chance. I'm 2k away from profit goal in one day. Nice win. Congratulations. These aren't expensive? No. Because I have a good broker. Okay, let me see this one. Okay. So this one is minus 0.92. This one here is 4.64. This one is 4.64. This one is 3.32. 3.32. You make much more dollars from holding the trade than you do from losing on a swap piece. And I don't pay like I don't pay when I take a trade. I only pay when I hold overnight over weekend. But it's minimal fees. Why don't you just trail the stop loss and not take partials? Because if I just trail the stop loss, then I'm not gonna get any profit at any point if it comes down and hit my B. Let's see. Guys, we just closed bullish. Right there. We just closed bullish. Now, I would like to see... us tap into... 28 would be best. 28 would be best. But I'm okay with 30 as well. I mean, move stop loss into profit. But if you move it too far, bro, too early, you're gonna hit B. Like, for example, here. Let's say, bro, look at this. Gold just consolidated here for 3 days, right? Let's say you bought here at 5,146. If I listen to you and move my stop loss into profit, I would have hit B once, twice, 3 times, and I would have missed this. Instead, what I did, I put my stop loss below this wick here, and I waited for price to break out, and now I trailed my stop loss. Okay? So now my trade here from 5,146 is risk-free. Even if this comes down and flip, I'm not expecting it to go lower than 70. So I'm still in. Just, I don't scalp, so yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna enter here. Let me know entry. I said 28. We hit 28.2. Pretty nice. Let's see what happens. I'll put stop loss below here. And let's see what happens. Enter at 28. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna change this here. Let's see, Xauusd buy now. In at 27. Let's go. TP1 is going to be 5,250. TP2 is going to be 5,310. And TP3 is going to be 5,365. Alright. That's it. That's it, guys. Got much better entry than me. Good job, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. $26. $25. We're back into the range here. I would like to see if it taps and comes up again here, or if this is a fake out. We did get a 5-minute bullish closure though, because the 50-minute closed bullish. So I'm guessing that the 5-minute, the 3-minute, the 1-minute also closed bullish here. So it would be a really nice fake out if this comes all the way down now again. It's okay, guys, if it comes a little bit more down here, as long as it doesn't take out this wick here. Let's see. That's why we put 10 here. We have stop loss below all this. Quite a big stop loss, but I'm okay with that. As long as it doesn't break the low. If it breaks the low and come all the way down here, guys, then we're gonna wait for the trade here, right? But let's see. How is the 30 looking? Okay, so it came up there. All right. Okay. Let's see. I think what I will do is if we come down to 20, then I'm gonna add one more layer with the same stop loss, right? Same stop loss. Only if we come down to 20. But if you don't come down to 20, I'm not gonna do it. Let's see. Look at these rejection wicks here. 1, 2, 3, 4. See if we can pull up. 5 minute probably close bearish. But I need to wait for the next 30 minutes. We start 9 minutes. Let's see. Bull and bear candle not forming resistance, bro. If you're forming resistance here above the support, it'll be pretty odd not to go up and create a double top or a sweep above this high. But it's forming resistance. On which time frame are you talking about? Which time frame are you talking about? $15. You think this is resistance? This is consolidation, right? Consolidation to break out again. Like the one you saw here. All this. And then it break out. Now I can do the same thing again. All this. And then break out again. Let's see. Let's see. Came all the way back into the triangle formation. And then tapped into the end of the triangle formation. Let's see if it holds. If it just goes down and breaks it, guys, then it's gonna be like a retest here at the 5,187, and then you're retesting the 5,200. Then we're gonna get in there again. But if this is just accumulating for another move up, then it would be lovely. Okay, still respecting the triangle formation. Let's see. We got 7 minutes here. 7 minutes left. Anybody got in at 20, guys? For a second layer. Let's see. Okay. We're tapping the triangle formation again. We're gonna get a sweep below this wick here, or this wick here. $18. Okay, we're sweeping this one here. Let's see. Got 6 minutes until the 30-minute closure. Tapping the triangle formation again. Got in at 18. Oh, nice, Maxi. Nice, nice. We got 31 and 27, 27 and 28, 26, 18, 15. Okay. Okay, tapping 15 now. Let's see the hourly. This is the hourly fair value gap that's been created now. Don't think it will hit it now. If it hits it now, it's gonna break the triangle formation. I don't think it will. I think it just came down here. That's 300 pips, right? Isn't it? From 40 to... yeah. 40 to... that's 250 pips. 250 pips it came down to grab liquidity, making people sell, and then coming into the triangle formation. And then either we're going to consolidate here, or we're going to, you know, flip here in 4 minutes. We'll see. Beautiful. We have a 1 hour bullish fair value gap below us. I know. I know, bro. I just literally showed it. I almost got margin called, but survived. Then you're risking way too much, my friend. Trading $20. How much you have on your account? But I don't see why we should break the triangle formation, because for me this is accumulation to go higher. Even if the distribution wants to go lower, I would still like to see 5,300. Okay, guys. So if you're in here at 20 now, you're running 60 pips in profit. And for the people who are in here at 30, they're still in drawdown with 40 pips. Okay? So what we're going to do is once we get up above 30, we're going to close the worst entry and we're going to keep the trade number 2. Okay? You have the first trade here. And then you have the second trade. You know how I trade, guys. The people who are in there, they have the same stop loss, right? Same TP, everything is the same. Okay. But you just have a second layer now. So we are 26. In 40 pips, guys, we're gonna trail that stop loss, okay? So let's see if we can tap 30 so we can close this one. We have 29 pips away here. Okay. 25 pips away. 30 pips away. 40 pips away. Let's see. If we can tap 31, 32, then we can close the worst entry at BE. Okay, we're 20 pips away. Beautiful. We are 10 pips away, guys. Okay. 11 pips away. 9 pips away. 20 pips away. 10 pips away. 5 pips away. 3 pips away. 3 pips. There we go, guys. Close at BE here on the first trade. And now you keep the second trade, which is your new entry at 5,220. And now you have a much better risk to reward. So now you can extend this just a little bit to 8. And there you go. And that's how I trade. Simple as that. And now we can call this the first trade. You good, guys? So now you're running 100 plus pips into profit. To be honest, they're done that lol got like 50 mails with margin calls on smaller accounts. Still did not blow my account yet. Oh, be careful, guys. So what is your new entry, guys? Love you, bro. Gold. What is your entry, guys? Let me know. $20. Nice. And you're totally risk-free from the 30. 18, 21, 23, 26, 28. I would close your 28, Bird. I would close your 28. 17. Patsig, let's go. Hey, let's go, guys.
Let's go!
Well, Maxi, you have been with me for quite some time. You know how I trade, right? 24, missed the second layer. Ah, it's okay, Mavic. Let's go. Here we go. You're good, guys? You're good? You're good? You're good? You're good? So now what I would like to see is I want to see this top wick being taken out. Once we take out this top wick, then I can trail the stop loss to above entry for risk-free trade, okay? And guys, if you feel this is very overwhelming and so difficult to take yourself and you don't know what to do and, you know, gold is just volatile, all these trading is in general very volatile and difficult to do on your own, well, then remember, we have copy trading. Okay, guys? Copy trading is not you copying my signals. It is you copying all my trades. So if I take a trade on my account, it will be automatically copied to your account. So I do it manually, but the system happens automatically, right? So when I take a trade manually on my account, it will be automatically copied to your account. We do profit split, and that's the only thing we do. I don't take any of your deposit. I don't take any of your wins outside of your own trading or whatever. You get 60.5%. I get 39.5%. It's just profit split, okay? So if I make profit, you make profit. If I lose, you lose. So we both lose and both win at the same time, right? So if I make $100, well, that means I get 39.5 bucks and you get 60.5 bucks. That's it. That's all there is to it, guys. What platform? It's on this broker, my friend. And if you would like to join, just reach out to my team. Let me know. If you can't join copy trading, but you still want to learn trading and you want to learn to trade on your own, then of course we still have the bootcamp, we have the VIP, we have the academy. We also have, you know, VIP signals, VIP live streams, and everything else is free, right? Discord, Telegram, copy trading, everything is free, right? These Twitch streams. So yeah. But VIP Academy and of course Bootcamp, it's expensive, it costs money. Okay, so yeah. Do I need to open the same broker for the copy trading? For the copy trading, yes. For VIP Academy Bootcamp, no. Patsig, I'm not gonna ask you to open the same broker as me if you just want to join VIP, for example. You can join whatever broker you want. I don't care. For VIP, you just do whatever you want, man. For copy trading, you need to be on my platform, because if you're not, I can't copy trade for you. But for VIP, do whatever broker you want, bro. I won't force you to change broker. I won't force you to switch broker, okay? Hello, Duke. How's it going, man? Just lose the other entry, so re-entry. This is the re-entry, bro. We entered at 20. You still have binary options? Not at the moment. Have to go. My TVs are 40 and 50, and the third one will let it run. All right, cool. Are we getting retested? Hopefully not. Hopefully we are now respecting this triangle formation and coming up slowly. We'll see. Guys, it looks like we got a bottom wick here. So what I will do now is I will trail stop loss to just above entry for risk-free trade, and I'll be right back, okay? Take some partial here. Take some partial here. Stop loss above at 20.5, okay? 20.5. 20.5. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Let's see. I'll be right back. Yes, but took a smaller position since it went up already. Hi there. Hey, Leon. How's it going? I hope you're doing well. Leon, we are in here at 5,220. We have stop loss at BE at 5,220.5. Our first TP is 5,250. Hi there. Hello, Sinlock. The next entry you can get, Imran, would be a breakout from this high, okay? So that would be above here, where you can take tight stop loss, put it here, okay? So guys, if you want a re-entry, this would be the place to take it when we come up here. Will do, bro. So here we go. This is, let me see here. Yeah, about 2 pips, right? Sorry, 2 bars. 2 bars. Yeah. Guys, for re-entry, we need to take out... Yeah, buy. Yes. We are already in here, Para, at the 20, but we will have a re-entry at 42, okay? So guys, for another trade, if you want re-entry, it's gonna be 42, okay? 42.5. Stop loss is gonna be below the wick. We have the wick right here inside the triangle formation, so it's gonna be 25. Okay. All right, guys. And TV1 is still gonna be at the 50 level, but of course, with the stop loss, I need to do proper risk management. So I will put 20. I will put 57. Okay. And then 310. Okay. So I will change this one. I will change this one to 57. 57. All right. Let's not get wicked in like we did yesterday. You shouldn't really be wicked in, because if you come up to take out this high, you are most likely going to break it. You could come up to 40 or 41 or even 42, but 42.5, I mean, it's 2 bars. It's like, you know, it's like 25 pips above, right? I don't think that will happen, because I think you would if you want to go down, you would retest the 50% here, maybe have a double top, something like that, but I don't think you will have another wick here and then go 25 pips up from the high for whatever reason. Doesn't really make sense. If you go down, we're gonna tap here and then we're gonna go down from here. Okay, this is gonna be the second trade, guys. But only if we break out, okay? Let's see. And yeah, guys, my name is Xauusd. I've been trading for the past 14-15 years, and yeah, I go live here Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but I was not live Wednesday, so I came live here today with you Friday for an extra additional session. Actually not additional, because I was not live Wednesday, so it's kind of like a replacement instead. Yeah. And we do have the Academy, Bootcamp, VIP and all that. And we also offer copy trading. We also offer signals trading, and we also offer one-on-one session. Just reach out to my team if you would like to know more. But currently we are in here at 5,220. We risk free at 5,220.5, and then we have a trade 2 here with a buy stop at 5,242.5. And guys, if we go down at some point, it's going to be to retest the 1 hour fair value gap, and then it will be to retest the 5200 level. Probably 5200, 5205, 5210, something like that. Hopefully it's just gonna build up from here. Let's see. And please, if you haven't already, take some partial here. It's still 80 pips. 80 pips is better than nothing. Take some partial. Would you take the sell if you have confirmation? No, I don't take sells, bro. I don't take sells when we're bullish. I don't take what is called buys when we are bearish. That's why I have been selling and selling and selling and selling since we had that blow up top at sorry, since we were about to have that blow up top at 5,600. And then once we broke down from there, I only took buys. For the big trades, of course we can have scalps. Of course we can have scalp sells, but I don't really do scalping. It will be if you're consolidating. If you're consolidating, I am forced to take scalps. For example, you can consider this as a scalp because we might just come up to 50 and then we come down again. Because right now we're just consolidating again, you know. We had that for 3 days in a row here, so would I take a sell from 50 if we were having a resistance and we started coming down to triangle formation again? Probably yeah, for a scalp, yeah, but no, I don't take sells. Question, why is the TP so far apart? Because I don't take scalps. I don't take scalps, guys. I'm still holding my 5,000 position. I'm still holding my 4,900 position. I'm still holding my 4,800 position. I'm still holding my 5,400 position, okay? I don't close trades and I don't take scalps. I am a long-term positioning trader. I'm a period trader. I can hold for months, for years, for days, for weeks. I'm a professional trader, not a freaking scalper who thinks they can flip their account to $10,000 in one day. I just add on to my position, add on to my layers. I buy from the bottom and I buy all the way up, and then I sell from the top all the way down. That's it. From 5,600 we have the blow up top, we have the relief rally, so I started to buy. You can see it here. Close everything. This was your all-time high. Then you had a massive blow up top. This was actually your all-time high, 5,418, which is why I say 5,400 will be the first resistance we're gonna have before we're gonna see what direction we're gonna take. Then you had the blow up top to 5,600. 5,600 is not considered the all-time high because the candle did not close there. The candle closed at 5,418. So your all-time high is 5,418. Great. Then we had a blow up top here of the 5,000 all-time high. Boom. And we came down with a big dump here. But it's not considered a dump because you didn't take out the lower lows. Okay? Your lower low is here, right? You didn't take it out. So this is still seen as a higher low. All right, so you got a higher low, and then you got a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now you're getting a higher high. Simple as that. Came down to 4,400. Then you came up, had a relief rally. You made everybody buy. Everybody got in for buys, and then they got swept here. They lost all their money, okay? Then you got them all to buy here again, and then they came down here and they lost all their money. And now we finally broke out. After this consolidation for 3 days, we're now breaking out again. So boom, 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 you break out. 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 Or maybe you have a little bit of a dip into this daily fair value gap at some point. But overall, you're going to 6,000, okay? So just buy. Just buy. Buy the dips. Buy all the dips you can. All right. We have a setup for later before the market closes, where we're looking the 15 to close. The 15, if the 15 can close above here, we're gonna get in for that. Is that bull above 5,245? Not if you don't close bullish. If we don't close bullish above, then it could be a sweep again, and then it could come down. But yeah, guys, I'm a long-term positioning trader. I don't take scalps. Driving home. Obis, is it possible to buy gold and put it on a cold wallet? It's not crypto, my friend. You can buy physical gold from your bank or from a third party, but be careful, right? And then have physical gold and silver as coins, small coins if you want. Or you can just purchase gold bars. You can do that as well. But if you're doing online, then you're either doing spots, or you're doing the futures, or you're doing some kind of contracts, right? Or EFTs. EFTs, mining. That could also be it. Question, what's futures means? This is futures, my friend. Here. Boom. Futures price right now is 5,252. So in this one, we would already have hit TP if somebody bought with me on futures, right? But of course, they don't, because they can see I do spot. At spot, we are only at 5,236. So spot and futures are a little bit different. On futures, you are taking contracts. You are buying contracts. On spot, you're simply just buying paper money, right? Just buying paper money. So you're buying with a CFD broker, or you're buying with the, third shore broker or something like that. So you can have a book or a B book, or you can have a regulated broker or a non-regulated broker. I have a regulated broker, right? And then I have futures as well. But I prefer just the normal brokers, because futures, there's all these things with CME and they can change the margin and stuff like that. I don't like that. So I personally, why it called futures then? I don't know why they call it futures, bro. Maybe because the price is in the future? I mean, this is what gold is going to be later. But who knows? I don't know actually why it's called futures. Does anybody know why it's called futures? I understand how it works, but I don't know why it's called futures. Interesting, actually. Interesting question. God blessing you for doing this for free. You're welcome, Paradox. And if you want to have copy trading for free as well, I mean, you can start as small as $50. If you have low funds, you can start with $50 on a cent account. But if you want me to trade for you on a USD account, you need a lot of money, right? But but if you don't have that kind of funds, just do cents account. $50. Minimum $50. 50,000 cents, right? Future making money. Probably, yeah. Oh, you mean why my name is Future Orbits? Is that what you mean? Oh, people might think I'm trading futures because my name is Future Orbit. No, I created the Future Orbits name long before I traded futures. I created it because some people said to me back in the days, I think it was 10 years ago, that I could see into the future what the price would be. Of course I can't see into the future. I don't have a crystal ball. I just have my own strategy, right? And I have just 14 years of experience. But it was just funny that this person said to me, oh, I think you can look into the future because you can see where the price is going. I have pretty good price action understanding, but I cannot look into the future. But that's why I'm called Future Orbits. Not because I trade futures. Where do I sign up for copy trading? Yeah, simply just reach out to my team. Here I put exclamation mark team here. If you want to join with $50 for Sense account, you can. If you have bigger funds, Melon, if you want big funds and you want big trading and you want like fast trading, right? Sense account is a minimum of $50, but it's gonna go extremely slow. Why? Because I'm trading cents, right? So that means I need to make $1 before I can, we can make the profit split, right? But if you do a USD, then it's not cents anymore. Then we're talking normal USD. That means every time you move 100 pips, you can lose or win $100. So that means you need a minimum of $1,250, including bonus, or without bonus, $2,500. Why? Because if price moves $300 on gold, suddenly you're fucked, right? So that's why we need a lot of money for copy trading when it comes to USD account. But cents, join for $50. All right, guys. Okay, here we go. Jaroslav, I hope you're doing well. Nice to see you on live stream. Okay, guys, so we wait here for the 15-minute bullish closure here. Let's see. We're up. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Future money making. Let's see. We're waiting for a 15-minute bullish closure. 7 more minutes, guys. But yeah, reach out to my team. Because then you don't have to worry about TP, stop losses, all that. I'll do everything for you. You can see here, this is the copy trading, guys. Show you. So yeah, everything is blue now because we broke out. But yeah, we've been consolidating a few days, but I don't mind. Thank you for the subscription, Jero. Thank you for the subscription, Ali. And TOG. And Rod, thank you for the follow. And Alias, thank you for the subscription. Okay, guys. Just wait for the 15-minute closure. And once we have the 15-minute closure, then we're gonna have the buy stop. What do you mean tapped in, Imran? I told you guys to wait for the 15-minute bullish closure. Guys, I mentioned the 15-minute bullish closure, didn't I? Did I not mention it? If I didn't mention it, then it's my mistake. Did I mention it or not? Please let me know. My buy stop triggered. Yeah, but you shouldn't put the buy stop yet, Imran. Buy stop after 15-minute bullish closure. You need a 15-minute bullish closure first. Otherwise, you can just be tapped in like this. I did. Yes, I did. You wait for the 15-minute bullish closure and then you put buy stop. Okay. Imran, I hope you don't hit stop loss. Stop loss is here at 30. For your sake, put it at 29. Oh wait, no, it's not. It's not a 30. Sorry, it's 25. I'm sorry. There we go. I didn't even measure it properly. There we go. Here, 25.5. It's below the wick. Below the wick. Yeah, it's right there. But it's okay. It's okay, man. You're almost back again. You're almost back again. I don't think this is gonna close bearish. But once it closes bullish, put the buy stop and you're ready. I'll be right back, guys. Now, once again, when the 50-minute bullish closure closes, then you can take your buy stop, or you can just buy if it's 50-minute closure is above, right? Let's see. Got this from AI. Futures trading is called that because you're entering into a contract to buy or sell an asset at a specific price at the date in the future. At the date in the future. That's why. That's why. It's because it's a date in the future. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay, guys. We got the 50-minute candle closure in 3 minutes. So, Imran, you up, man? I closed it in some profit. Let's go, Imran. Okay, guys, I think we cannot make a buy stop anymore because we are too high now. So it's just going to be buy now. After 50-minute candle closure, okay? After 50-minute candle closure, it's just going to be buy now, okay? Alright. But nobody who entered early, like, fucked up, right? Imran, you didn't lose any money, right? We didn't hit stop loss, correct? Yes? Lost nothing, bro. Great. Happy. Happy. Cool music. 1 minute, guys. Are you ready? 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. There you go, Sav. There you go. Okay, maybe we can get a buy stop, guys. Maybe we can get the buy stop still. Or maybe not. Maybe not. No, I don't think so. Oh, we can? Can we get the buy stop? 1 minute? Okay, we can. We can, guys. Wait for it to close. There we go. Buy stop 42. 42.5, okay? 42.5. This is official. If we tap up there now, we're in. Alright? If we tap up there now for 5,242.5, we're in. Okay? I'm back after 2 days. I told you we're going for all-time high on 4 hour. Yeah, Poker, I didn't say you were wrong. I just said, like, I need to see 5,200 to 5,400 first. If we broke 5,100, we were going down. But we didn't. So we stayed at 5,100 and then we accumulated to go higher. So I just bought. Closed all my sell positions and bought. So guys, we're waiting for the buy stop at 5,242.5, okay? We're in once we flip. Once we flip, we're in. Your position here, guys, is running 150 plus pips, and it was up 200 plus pips. Did anybody take some profit on the first position? Everybody put their buy stop? Everybody ready with their buy stop? Everybody ready? Trade 2 is buy stop. Yes, it is, Docs. And we are almost about to hit it. You have to hurry if you want to make it. Everybody ready with the buy stop? Yes? No? Yes? Yes, trade. You're in. You're ready. Buy stop ready. Yes, good. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, guys, let's see. And are we getting in? And there we go. We're in. We're in, guys. We're in. We're in. Running 10 pips. Running 20 pips. Here we go. Running 25 pips. 25 pips. Here we go, guys.
Let's go!
And now please take some partial on your first trade here at 45. That is 250 plus pips. 250 plus pips. Right there, guys. 250 plus pips. Okay. At 50, once we hit 50, we're gonna trail our stop loss on the second trade. We're gonna trail our stop loss on the second trade, okay? Yes?
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Come on, go. Let's do it.
Order filled.
Let's go!
I buy 27. Where can I trail the stop loss to? Oh, you can trail it to below this wick here, bro. 29.6. 29.6. 29.6. You might hit 40, 35 a few times. I don't think you will hit 29, 28 again. I think you'll hit 30 maybe at some point. Okay, guys, I gotta get ready. Keep it on, keep it on. I'm gotta get ready.
Get shit on, brother. Get shit on, brother.
Alright guys, I gotta go. Thank you so much for this stream. As I said to you, you have stop loss here at 25. Once you reach 50, you trail your stop loss to just above entry for risk-free trade. You trail your stop loss on the way up. Remember these levels, 57, 50, and 5,310, 5,365, and just take it as much up as possible, okay? We're running 40 pips. I don't think we're gonna have any kind of resistance before 5,300. But yeah, reach out to me about reach out to my team about VIP, Academy, Bootcamp, or copy trading. Okay guys, remember we have Sense account, we have USD account. Thank you so much for today. I'm sorry it was short, but hey, we made 2 trades, 250 plus pips. And yeah, let it run guys. Hope you're doing well. And take partial on the way, okay? Join Discord, join Telegram. And I'll see you. Alright guys? Thank you so much. Take care. Reach out to my team. Love ya. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend. See you on Tuesday. Parabox Docs, I'm gonna stream on Tuesday. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I was live today because I was not live Thursday. Wednesday, sorry. Okay, see you guys. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Seen anybody do the things you do before.
They say, move for me, move for me.